let's talk about how you can upload status on WhatsApp without losing much quality using your iPhone. So as you know, inside of the WhatsApp, you have the ability to share some kind of story with the people that you know, right? So you can go ahead and do that. And if you want to, you can just make sure that the video is as high of a quality as possible by avoiding the built-in method of just taking a photo. So instead of just clicking on the status and just, trying to take a photo from there, I would recommend you to start and record the video using the built-in camera of your iPhone, which then can be uploaded to your WhatsApp status, which is going to make sure that the quality is a little bit better. Generally speaking, it should be. You can go ahead and test it out, but in a lot of cases, for me, it just ended up with a better result. Also, speaking of the built-in camera, you can tweak some settings to ensure a better quality. Like when you are recording the video, you can switch to a higher resolution, for instance, from a full HD 1080p video to 4K, or you can also just bump up the frame rate from 30 to 60 or from 24 to 30, which is going to increase the quality overall. So that's how you can do this. Also, it's just a status update or a story, so the video shouldn't really be that long. So if it is, then it requires some editing and compressing. So generally speaking, keep the video as short as possible, and this is going to ensure that the quality is still going to be there. But these are the tips from me. Let me know below in the comments if you managed to increase your quality. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.